Alright guys, I'm gonna run this Wltoys A979B just out here. I'm letting my Typhon cool off. So I brought this little guy out here to bash up a little bit. I got all the aluminum upgrades on it, so a lot of aluminum upgrades on it. But I'll show you that when we're done. So just out here, little dirt bash. Get these little toys in. Can't believe I got high-sided already. Man. Hopefully I'm getting all this, guys. I can't see sunny out here. So get on this hard pack stuff here, huh? Oh, tumble! Ah. Oh, tumble wumble. They're quick little buggers, man. Oh. Well, guys, I was trying to get that. I had a camera, but the storage card is full, so that sucks. Oh well. Never even thought about deleting stuff off of it before I came out here. So. Ow. It actually handles this kind of dirt not too bad. It's a little bouncy, but I think I broke something. Yeah, something popped off here, guys. That sucks. Yeah. Either a screw came out. Yeah, I lost a screw. I have no idea where that would be out here in this jungle. Man. Alright, guys. Hope I can find another one in the pack. I didn't bring any tools with me, so, or any extra parts. So that's going to be it for that one. All right, let's see what we did. I shouldn't have. It's too much for it. I just Loctite everything because, yeah, and that's what happened, guys. Right here, the screw came out. Looks like it just backed out of there. And I'm sure I won't find that thing anywhere because. But I should be able to find one of those in my repair kit or something at home. Yeah, oh well. I guess I'll finish running this one at home once I get it all back in. That's the good thing about these small ones, guys. These small Wltoys, you can, and that motor's still hot. But, you can run them out in front of the house, out in the street. They're a blast in the street. They just slide all over the place. So, whew, it's getting warm out here. All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share with your friends.